It's not good, is it?
It's not great.
This ain't good with this engine like this.
It's not good.
No, not going all the way out there. What time is it now?
3:05
In the morning.
in the morning.
Right, here we are in sunny Sheffield.
How do?
Hello. Now today's plan is we're going to head up towards Scotland to camp on a tiny island in the middle of a massive loch. We've got everything packed. We've got the boat, we've got the tents, we've got Steve. Now for us it's probably going to be about 6 hours, and for you it's going to be, right, just like that, here we are at the stunning Loch Lomond. Now first things first, let's get the boat pumped up. Right, that's the boat sorted. Now time to get her loaded up. It's not good, is it?
It's not great.
Why is it doing that? It keeps dying. Right, so as we're going out here, the island that we're heading to should appear over in the middle. Now that's it over there. This ain't good with this engine like this.
It's not good.
No, not going all the way out there.
We'll have to try and resolve it when we get there.
Yeah.
Aim for that corner then, let's go check that out, see if we can find a way on.
Can't see any rocks.
I'll get on front, look.
So let me tip this a bit more. That's it, we've made it onto the island. Now let's see if we can find anywhere that's campable, because it does look very rocky. Right.
Possibly need to go in this direction actually, sleeping.
Yeah, with his head up at the top. Right, I'm going to get going.
Right, I'll try and get the big tent up.
See you in a bit. Right, so that's it, we're over on the island, but now I've got to go back to go and get the rest of our stuff, beer, food and all the other stuff. So yeah, better get going whilst we've still got a little bit of sunlight. Yeah, so obviously when it's logistically difficult camping like this, we have to make sure that we camp in light. Right, so that's it, we're all set up, we're on the island, and of course it's beer time. So what's this we've got? It's an Aldi Establishment Double Hazy IPA, but it's 7.2%. Give it a whirl. That's good, isn't it? That is really nice.
Ready for that.
Yeah. We've got some food to cook. We're having a tikka masala. Now, it was meant to be a chicken tikka masala, but somebody left the chicken in the glove box of the car, which is over a mile away, across water. So because of that, we're having an onion tikka masala. What a donut. So we've got the food, and that's our onion takadal mixture. That's it, it'll do the trick, it'll fill us up. Yeah, so that's it.
Tastes alright.
Right, Steve's down by the shore. So let's go and have a look. What time are we on? It's 1:11 in the morning. Yeah, so this island really is quite magical, isn't it?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah. I say it's a shame you probably can't see on the GoPro what we're able to see now with the stars and the midges.
What's happened is, due to the weather conditions, my shoe has become undone.
What time is it now?
3:05
In the morning.
in the morning.
Now, as always, I do not talk to the camera on a flight because I don't want my fellow passengers thinking I'm a twat, honestly.
Right, good morning, good morning. Yeah, good night last night. A little bit fuzzy headed today, but that is to be expected after what we drank. Steve's still in the tent, still trying to work his way out the sleeping bag. And it's a stunning day. Oh yeah, we'll just have a quick wander down to the shore. Show you the view. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, so we're gonna grab a bite of breakfast. Nothing fancy, just a bit of porridge, something like that. And then we're gonna decide what to do for the full day that we've got, because we are staying 2 nights. So how's Steve this morning?
Fuzzy.
4 hours sleep?
That's a bit optimistic.
Biodegradable travel soap. Right, so we've decided we're going to nip across to that beautiful looking beach just over there. So it's not too far away. We're going to have a bit of a nosy at that.
Caribbean-esque, aren't
we? Yeah.
Go for a swim over there. I think it looks more appealing than swimming off this beach.
Right, here we are on the beach on Inchgalbraith. So how beautiful is that? Yeah, so we've come to the conclusion, if you're thinking about going to the Caribbean for your holidays, don't bother. Just come up to Loch Lomond and check the forecast first. Our island there. Right, so this island that we're on now is called Inchgalbraith. Now Inchgalbraith is quite special because here on the island there's between 10 and 12 wallabies living here. Now that is quite unusual in the UK. Apparently they were introduced by the Countess of Arran in the 1940s and they still roam wild to this day. Right, we're back on our island. I think it's about time for a cheeky afternoon beer.
I wholeheartedly agree. Cheers.
Cheers. This is another Aldi special that we don't seem to see at home. Hazy IPA guava flavour. Yeah, so just a little bit about this tiny island that we're on. It's roughly 25 metres by 25 metres, that's all. And the castle, Inchgalbraith Castle, is believed to date back to the around the mid 1500s. And obviously there's not a lot left of it. Amazing, really, that they managed to build this all those years ago on this tiny little island. It can't have been easy. Well, they did it. Right, Steve's just said that he's found an egg, so we're going to go and have a look. We'll see if we can find out what sort of egg it is. Yeah, anybody know what sort of egg that is? The wind's really picked up, the water's actually pretty choppy now. So hopefully it's not going to be like this when we try and leave the island tomorrow. Right, we're just going to get on with our evening meal. Having it a little bit earlier than yesterday. What time did we eat yesterday? About midnight?
Yeah, you're getting on for midnight.
Midnight, so
yeah.
Nice early tea. We have got spam, tikka masala with lime and coriander rice. That's what we are making. In with the spam, in with the spice mix. In with the oil sachet. And in with the masala sauce. Rice in. Right, so there we have it. Spam, tikka masala, lime and coriander rice, and a bread bun. What do you reckon? Almost as good as a takeaway. I don't think we'd be getting one out here, will we?
Uber Eats.
Right, so we've had a cracking evening, lovely food, some nice beers, but we've come inside now. It's got really windy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got a bit parky.
Yeah, the waves are crashing up. The loch is really quite rough now. So yeah, just having a few whiskies, watching a bit of YouTube, and yeah, we'll see you in the morning. We just hope that the boat's still there. We're in trouble if it isn't.
Did you tie it off?
It's tied up, yeah. But yeah, hopefully it will still be there. We'll see you in the morning.
Adios, amigo.
Cheers.
To this camping trip, and I can feel it in my bones that me and Mick are going to have an absolutely fantastic time. So,
good morning. Well, a decent sleep.
It's the sun.
I think Steve's feeling a bit worse for wear.
It doesn't help that I'm on a massive slope.
Yeah, you have been sliding somewhat, haven't you? Oyster catcher. It's very noisy. Been going all night, well, all morning, isn't it? So yeah, we're going to get our things packed away, get it onto the boat. Probably going to be 2 trips, so hopefully the water isn't too rough. And
Yes.
we'll bring you back in a bit. Oh, let's go and check if the boat's still there. That could be problematic. Yes, still there. It's the state of the water. Not too bad. Right, so that's it. We're gonna have to just get everything packed away and yeah, make the couple of journeys from here to the car and back. It's about a mile each way. So oh yeah, let's get cracking with that. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning now. So yeah, let's get going. Right, so that's it. We're all packed up, ready to go. I've already done one run with the boat full of stuff. So yeah, I've come back for Steve. He said he wanted to stay here, but I had to take him back because he's driving. So yeah, that's where we were. Tent were there, and that was the living room. Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Right, so that's us all packed up, everything's in the car and we're ready to go. What a fantastic couple of nights we've had. Epic camp, really enjoyed it, and we've been blessed with the weather. Very lucky. So as ever, if you've enjoyed this video, if you give us a nice big thumbs up, that'll be massively appreciated. And also if you're not subscribed, possibly even consider subscribing too. We would very much appreciate it. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully see you next time, wherever and whenever that is. See ya.
Bye-bye.